Okay, we're back to the medical terminology. This is chapter 6, the urinary system. The urinary system is, it removes waste material from the body, regulates fluid volume, maintains electrolyte concentration in the body fluid, and assists in blood pressure regulation. The kidneys secrete urine formed from water and waste materials such as urea, potassium chloride, sodium chloride, phosphates, and other elements. Urine is collected in the renal pelvis of the kidney and is transported through the ureters into the bladder, where it is stored until it can be eliminated. Urine passes from the bladder through the urethra and the urinary meatus to the outside of the body. This is voiding urine. Prefixes. Okay, there's 3 here that I want to make sure you have. There's several things I want you to do in the chapter, but for this PowerPoint, I'm just going to cover a few for the pronunciation. The very first word is not. The second prefix is pi. The third prefix is dis. Again, I would like for you to look these up in the medical terminology book and make sure you know the definitions, but I'm pronouncing them so that you can come back to this slide and repeat the pronunciation. Suffixes: ia, ologist, scopy, tripsy, trophy, megaly, and ptosis. The opt is usually eliminated when you start to pronounce it. The other thing with trophy, it's not usually pronounced trophy once the full word is there. So if you think of muscular dystrophy, that is the proper pronunciation usually for that term. Word roots: urea, cardi, uro, cysto, litho, nephro, reno, urethro, and ureter. Then we have some medical term words for chapter 6. First one is nocturia. Next, pyuria, dysuria, nephrohypertrophy, nephromegaly, nephroptosis, lithotripsy, enuresis, micturate, urodynamics, incontinence, and uretoscope. Again, I would like you to have the meanings of these terms for your final. Your abbreviations that you need to review are listed here. Make sure that you understand the OSOD. They're on the test and they're a little confusing, so I want to make sure you have those. And then your urinary system. On this here, you need the combining forms, and it is exercise 2 in chapter 6 on page 197. So please review that for your exam and be ready for it.